Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet and today we are going to be focusing on a snatched waist. For those of you who don't know what that means, it literally is like sort of those curvy little waistlines that you see on Instagram or on YouTube all over the place. Now depending on your body shape, sometimes you don't necessarily naturally go that way. You're a little bit like me, who is defined as an oblong shape. You might not necessarily, regardless of how much you exercise or how much you focus on those muscles, it might not never get that teeny tiny. But that being said, you can definitely work on toning up this area and pulling that muscle in and getting a strong core all around. If the video you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started.
Let's get started now in plank position. Arms stacked underneath your chest, knees back behind your hips. Level 1, stay on the knees. Level 2, tuck the toes and let's hold the plank, starting with some knee taps, alternating 8 times. Good. You got 4, 3, 2, 1. Start to side tap it with the feet. You got it. 2 more to go. 1 more, hold, lifting the leg up, not too high. Stay with your hips in line with the shoulders. You got 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Hold back the plank, starting to drop the hip side to side, 8 times again. You got 4, 3, 2, 1. And just hold your plank position. Make sure your eye gaze is 5 or 10 centimeters in front of you to make sure your neck doesn't drop. Press those heels back, tummy muscles pulled in, and don't forget to breathe. Awesome. Drop the knees. Pull back into that child's pose. Release the shoulders because you've got 1 more round. Just to make sure you feel it in your abs. Stack the elbows. Remember, level 1s, you can stay on the knees. Level 2s, let's come up onto the toes and start with your knee drops. Remember, you can always change your mind and drop down to the knees if you need to. You got 2 more to go. 1, and feet taps to the side. Just to the edge of your mat there. You got 2 more. 1 more. Hold, lifting the heel up. 8 times. You're halfway. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Good. Hips swaying side to side. Work your obliques there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold still. Second round's a little bit tougher, but you can do this. Pressing those heels back, lifting out of your shoulders. Use your whole body there to hold your plank position. Lovely. Drop to the knees, pull back, have that stretch. Congratulate yourself, first part is done. Take a breath. We're starting now to come up onto the hands into your mountain climbers. Hands underneath the shoulders, knees a little bit back. Level 1, stay on the knees. 1 knee over to the elbow. Level 2s, the only change is you tuck your toes, lift the knees up, and bring the knees all the way over to that opposite elbow there. Alright guys, let's get started. Come up and mountain climb it 8 times. You got it. 4 more to go. 3, 2, 1. Hold your planks and breathe. Pressing the heels back, I'll let you know. Second round coming. Let's start. Mountain climb it. Again. Only 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold again. How many times? We're doing this for 4 times. All right, mountain climbers. Here we go. 4 more to go. 3, 2, 1. Hold that plank nice and strong. You got last round coming. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Good job. Drop to the knees. We are about to flip it over onto your backs. Make sure your back is nice and flat into the mat. So curl your pelvis up, no space in your lower back. Fix up your pants if you need. Hands go behind the head, lift your head and shoulders, and chin tucks into the chest as you reach one hand to the ankle. So right hand to the right ankle, left hand to the left ankle. Support the head with the other hand and make sure you're reaching. Level 2s, feel free to take the hands to either side and go a little bit quicker if your neck is feeling okay today. Reach all the way. See if you can touch to the ankle there and breathe still. Hands go back behind the head. We're going to reach one hand over to the opposite knee while you bring that knee in closer. Level 1s, you're going to keep the knees bent. Level 2s, you're going to start to extend the legs up into the air to make it a little bit more harder for your abs. Let's go. Reach and reach. Good. Make sure your back is still put in nice and flat into the mat. Start to bend the knees if it gets a bit too much for you. Keep the legs straight if you still got some zest in you. Breathe, one breath, one movement. Almost done. And hold there. Knees coming back into tabletop position. We're going to bicycle it out. So moving the elbow to the outside of that bent knee while the other leg shoots out to 45 degrees. Make sure you're lifting your shoulders off the ground there. Going side to side. Good. Again, one breath, one movement. Almost done. Hold. Right, arms glued to the side. Knees bent, level 1s. Rocking the legs side to side. Like you're drawing a sort of rainbow in the middle. Level 2s, to make it harder, let's extend the legs and you switch it side to side, drawing a higher arch rainbow. Let's go. Good. Lifting to the right, lifting to the left. Make sure your opposite shoulder blade is not coming off the ground. You are gluing your upper back shoulder blades right down into the floor, aiming not to fall over. And hold your legs to the right. Breathe, maybe dropping a centimeter or two lower to the right. If you're feeling good, don't hold your breath. Little breaths. Good. All right, back to the side because I need to get you to the left side eventually. Lower with the legs, remember, to make it a little bit more challenging. If you've had enough, you can always bend the knees. All right, drop it to the left. You've got this. Again, challenge yourself today. Drop the legs a little bit lower to the left. And breathe. Good. Release. Excellent. Pull out the spine. Arms and legs extended. Treat yourself with a bit of a stretch here. Bend the knees into the chest, arms around the shins, head and shoulders tuck. Tuck into the knees there. Release your lower back. Great job. Once you're ready, rolling yourself onto the side. Give yourself a clap. You did it. See you on the next time. Bye.